Hey guys, this is going to be a tutorial video on how to install a horn strobe on a fire/security system. So I'll be installing. I'll be I'll be moving one of my L series devices from there to right there. As you can see where that junction box is. Yeah, this is going to be a quick tutorial video on how you do it. Alright. Alright, this is going to take a while, so let's begin. Oh, a minute. Alright, adjust the camera. Okay, that's good enough. Let's begin. Stuck in there. Got the mounting bracket. I'm actually just going to use the screws that's on the back box. So now I'm going to be needing to run over some wires. Seriously, hope I don't break the desk. Okay, I got the wires in, so let's install this thing. I'm just actually going to use the blue. That's what I usually use for the horn strobes. Okay, make sure this is set to 2. Set to 2. Okay, so let's do all the wiring. You know what, I'm actually gonna get the ladder. Pause the video. Okay. Oh yeah, this is much easier. One of those pigtail things. And I did put in exit signs. There. Now we'll do our negative. Okay. Now I'm gonna find a little pigtail thing. Oh, I forgot something. Brand new ones. I'm gonna put one of these covers on these. Got it. Alright, that horn strobe's all set up. And plus I did put in exit signs to the system. So, yeah. I'm actually gonna take down all the other horn strobes real quick. So, okay, so now I got all the horn strobes down, and we're gonna do a quick system test. Reconnect the battery back up so it doesn't start getting ticked at me. So. So what's this pull station? Okay, it works. So let's reset the pull station. Find my key. Here it is. Okay. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it, and how you install a horn strobe, a horn strobe on a fire alarm system. So, yeah, and that's it for this video. As always, peace out.